My handmade nails can't compete with the ones the machine spits out. What am I going to do now?
Hi, I'm Jonas from Doing History. Today's topic: mechanisation. Mechanisation meant that human or animal labour was increasingly supported or replaced by machines. During industrialisation, it transformed textile production, mining, agriculture, and later many factory jobs. Machines could produce faster, more evenly, and often more cheaply than hand labour. That increased the volume of goods and changed everyday work. At the same time, some artisans lost their livelihoods, while new factory jobs emerged. So mechanisation meant technical progress, but also insecurity, pressure to compete, and vulnerability for many workers.